India Private Limited. I am your host Himanshi Sethi, going to represent you our another model of electric operation table, that is Matrix Advance. This is advanced operation table. You can have a look to this. This is the head section, the back section, the kidney bridge, the pelvic section with the perineal cut and the split leg section. Here you will get the split leg section and we have provided the gas spring over that, so you can adjust it according to your desire. The standard accessories, you will get the pair of lithotomy crutches, the anesthesia screen, pair of side supports, armrests and the pair of shoulder support. You can see on the head section we have also provided the gas spring. So with the help of gas spring, you can adjust the head section as well. Here you can have a look how easily it's moving. By putting the little pressure, it will move. We have provided PU mattress in the Matrix Advance operation table. It has the matte finish and this mattress is easily detachable. Here you can see we have provided two holes. Here provided the two knobs, so you can attach and detach it easily, just like this. Now I will show you the features of this table with the help of wire remote. In this table you will get two remote. The first one is the wire remote and the second remote you will get on the pillar of the table. So you can operate the same features with the both of the remotes. Now you will see the trendelenburg. The lateral tilt. The back section. Now you will see the top sliding of the tabletop. As this is the advanced operation table, this table also has the feature of zero positioning. Now I will operate several positions in the table with the help of the same wire remote. Now you can see I have created several positions on the tabletop. Now I will press the single button, that is 0, and you can see the table will come to its actual position. I operated all the features with the help of the wire remote. The same features you can operate with the help of this column remote. In this column remote you will also get two memory functions. So you can set two positions for the operation mode. The minimum and the maximum height of the table is 750 mm to 1000 mm. This table has the standby battery backup with recharging circuit. The whole table is made up of 304 stainless steel that will be antibacterial and rust proof. This table is central pillar operation table. We have provided central floor locking in this. You can have a look over here. By keeping them up, you can see the table is moving. And when you need to lock the table, you have to push them down from the both of the sides. Now you can see if you put the pressure on the table is not moving. These all features are the standard feature in our Matrix Advance operation table. The optional features in this table you can add, that is low height, manual override, wireless remote and reverse orientation mode. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Kindly press the bell icon to get all the notification of our new products and new videos. Thanks for watching.